Hello, I'm Terry Sidford, keynote speaker, author, and professional coach. If you hire me for your event, I will train your audience to find their courage, break through barriers, and achieve new levels of success.
Of doing a lot of different things live, and all of a sudden everything was shut down, and it was a challenge for me to try
really changing. And the more that you can get used to change and how that might benefit you in your life and your future.
Want the audience to know is that the root word for courage comes from a Latin word called cor, meaning heart.
After the incident in Barnes & Noble, when the woman asked me about my own courage, I looked deeply into my life and into the lives of the women who shared their stories with me. And I discovered 3 steps that you and everyone can take to supercharge your courage and inspire everyone around you to act with courage too.
Story after story, I began to see a pattern of how these women pulled through. They figured it out, and they courageously prevailed, but never saw themselves as courageous. They just did what they had to do, and then they moved on to tackle the next challenge. They overcame their adversities as if they had no other choice. But they did have a choice. They chose to survive, and in many cases, thrive. I want everyone here today to know that the battle scars of life should be honored and celebrated, not hidden and avoided.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Courage to Lead webinar. In this webinar, you are going to learn 4 steps that you and your team can use to find your courage, overcome obstacles, and achieve new levels of personal and professional success. Thank you.